Being a consistently profitable trader with years of stats is one of the most challenging things pretty much anybody can do, especially in late 2022. Are we in a recession? Are we headed towards one? Crypto is in the toilet. Crypto projects are failing and rug pulling. There's just no good passive investment opportunities right now. I've been able to pull out profit in the entire year of 2022 because I've been preparing for this market, this chaotic market. And I want to show you guys how you can make 4 to 8% every single month passively without any trading knowledge. It's a one-time setup and it's pretty consistent because I built the algorithm that actually makes the profit and takes this profit directly from the market. You guys, again, don't need any knowledge, any experience. I show you how to do it all in this video. I hope you can watch all the way through. Hello everybody, I'm Ryan Brown. I'm the owner of ResponsibleForexTrading.com. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can produce 4 to 8% monthly using these two trading algorithms that I actually personally developed. I'm a trader for the last 18 years and started developing algorithms about 8 years ago when I found that they were better at profiting the market, and developed these two algorithms, the Powerhouse and Sharpshooter, and combined them together. So they're running multiple strategies and basically producing trades every single day, and you'll likely see profit. So today I want to show you guys the step-by-step process of setting this up so you can have a truly passive investment. It takes probably about 15 to 20 minutes to set up, and once you're done with that, then you can just sit back and watch your algorithms trade for you. It's pretty amazing, pretty straightforward. So let's get started. So the first thing I want to go over are a couple of points. So you're going to be getting real trades, real results. So the idea is when you're approaching the market, you want to see your trades go in and out. You don't want to depend on some program or passive investment with them telling you, oh, these trades were taken, this is how much profit you're getting, this is the fees and all that kind of stuff. It gets really complicated. You can actually see what's being produced because it's going in and out of the market directly. So daily profit is likely because we're taking 15 to 30 trades every single day, and it's all done on autopilot. So again, I have 18 years of experience in the Forex market. I stuck with it even though it's been a lot of up and down, but realized that there was a lot more profit in creating algorithms because they can trade nonstop and they can basically do a lot of things that humans can't. We have quite a few thousand members in our Discord community, and they post results and they help each other. It's really great. So the Powerhouse and the Sharpshooter combine multiple strategies together to produce a daily profit. And we found that this is a better way of basically approaching the market with multiple strategies instead of one. So we can basically make small trades and produce a small profit, and we're pushing quantity over large profit from each individual trade. All right, so the truly passive investment here, so basically once you set this up, it's you just plug and play after that. So far, profitable during this shaky market. So as I just showed you, even during this start of the recession or in the middle of the recession, we don't really know. I've been able to produce a profit with just about all of my algorithms. Okay, so what you need to approach this in the best way possible. So an account sizes of $10,000 produce an estimated 6 to 8% monthly. So that's 6 to 8% profit monthly. And account sizes over 10K produce an estimated 3 to 4% monthly. So the smaller your account under 10,000, the more profit it will produce. But keep in mind, it's recommended to not use accounts smaller than 5,000. The smaller the account under 5K, the more risky trading becomes. So that's just because it's recommended to use at least 5,000 when running these two algorithms together. So we have enough margin and enough room because we're running so many strategies on one account. It's the best approach to use at least 5,000. So if you use any less than that, keep in mind that it becomes more risky, but it also becomes more profitable. So for example, if you're using $2,500, it's more risky, but you also will produce basically upwards of around 15 to maybe 20%. Don't let that affect you though. Try to be conservative with this and be safe. Try to stick with 5,000 if possible. One-time setup. So once done, you can just sit back and watch your account auto trade. let's talk about the costs, the potential risks, and rewards. So total monthly cost is $45 a month, and that can be deducted through a credit card, a bank card, PayPal balance, so on and so forth. It's not taken from your trading account balance. The recommended starting balance size is $5,000. Estimated profit is $400, which is 8%. But since the Powerhouse and Sharpshooter are directly entering and exiting the market, this profit can range. So we can expect anywhere from 6 to maybe 8%, but this is all dependent on what the market's doing and the volatility. All right, potential risk on a $5,000 balance is $1,500, which is 30%. We haven't seen the Powerhouse and Sharpshooter in the last 12 months reach 30% drawdown. The maximum that it's reached is 15%, so we haven't even hit this loss target yet. This is an emergency cutoff just in case the market really turns and things get bad. And the cool thing about it is that since we're making 8% monthly profit, we can recover that 30% loss in three to 4 months, which is really quite good considering active trading. All right, so if you want to risk less, you can use a $10,000 balance or more, and you'll receive still $400 profit, which is 4%. And an estimated risk is $1,500, which is 15%. So the higher your balance above 5,000, the less that you'll be risking on your account. And 10,000 or above, it's the same amount. So if you have like a $20,000 account balance, the profit will be the same, 4%, okay? And the risk will be the same at 15. So the only time that you will be potentially risking more is if you use a balance less than 5,000. So for example, if you use a $2,500 balance, you could potentially make around 16% profit. So you're doubling your profit, but you also are risking double as well. So this 30% would be 60% if you used a balance of $2,500. Okay, so that's what happens when you start breaking into lower and lower balances under 5K. So don't get greedy. We recommend starting with at least 5,000. 10,000 is preferred. So we put the Powerhouse and Sharpshooter on mql5.com. This is a cool place that allows traders to put their signal to allow other traders to copy results on. So they can copy algorithms, they can copy individual traders and produce similar results. And so that's why you guys copying the signal here will allow you to produce 4 to 8% monthly. So you can see that this account's only received 5.7% drawdown so far, 71% profitable trades over the last 12 weeks, $10,000 balance. And if you want more performance track records of what we are capable of doing, you can see our algorithms here, all on our website. All these accounts are in profit, and most of them are 1 to upwards of 3 years in length. So proven track records on our strategies and our algorithms. First thing that we want to do is set up a MetaTrader 5 broker. This is a MetaTrader 5 signal. You can see here in MetaTrader 5. So we want to find a broker that fits us. Today I'm going to be using Coinexx as an example. And you can click on the link below if you want to set up a demo account or a live account with them. Keep in mind, this is a crypto-based deposit broker, deposit and withdrawal, which I actually like because I'm in the US and it's difficult to find a good regulated broker that has higher leverage. If you're in a different country than the US, you have a lot more broker options that have higher leverage. But for today's example, we're going to be using Coinexx so you guys can get started with a demo account or even a live account if this is a broker that you're interested in. Okay, so the first thing that we want to do is we want to click on coinexx.com. The link is below the description of this video. And click on MT5, MetaTrader 5. Click on this link right here, and you'll basically be downloading the MetaTrader 5 from Coinexx. So after you've installed your Coinexx MetaTrader 5 broker software, we want to create a new demo account with 200 to 1 leverage. Now you can use a demo account, MetaTrader 5 demo account, at many different brokers. Coinexx isn't the only option, but we want to use a demo account just for the purposes of this video. You can start live right away if you want, but we're going to show you how to do a demo account. So file at the top, open an account, select Coinexx, select next, and open a demo account, trade virtual money. All right, so we want to do a simulated account. All right, so fill out your information at the top, and here we want to make sure the account is Forex hedged, and deposit. So we can select 5,000 or 10,000 for the purposes of this video. I'm going to do 5,000. And this part's really important. So we want a leverage of at least 200 to 1. So you can also select 500 to 1 or 1,000. I wouldn't recommend going any higher than 500 to 1, but we're going to just select 200 to 1 here. And this is really important. So leverage is a pretty complicated subject in the trading world. I recommend looking it up and understanding it. But the simple terms is that a broker will allow us to basically borrow funds. The Forex market is huge, and when a value of a pair, like the euro US dollar, changes, you won't see much profit unless the broker is giving you some kind of leverage, or if you have a massive account of hundreds of thousands of dollars. So this is a way that the broker allows us to actually see fluctuations in profit and loss, is by allowing us to use borrowed funds. Now, you may be wondering, oh, well, am I going to lose more than $5,000 if this is a real account? No, you can't lose more than the deposit amount. That's the nice thing about the Forex market. It's not like stocks. Okay, so we selected 200 to 1. We're going to click this checkbox here, and we're going to go next. Click next. All right, so now we have a new login information, password, and so we're going to want to keep that so we can log into our account. But pretty much whenever we open up our software, it will instantly load into our platform where we can see our stats. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and click finish. Okay, so now we are in our account, and we can see that we have a $5,000 balance here at the bottom. Okay, and if you need your account details, you can see it's in the mailbox here. New registered account. You can see all your information right there. Okay, so that is all we need to do, and now we're going to set up the signal. So this is our MetaTrader 5 broker here, and we want to set up our account so it's taking trades, and all we got to do is click on Tools at the top, MQL5 Signals. Up here on the magnifying glass, click Powerhouse, Enter. And down here, we want to click on the Powerhouse and Sharpshooter. All right, so we've got the signal, it's $30 a month. All right, so once we click that, you'll be taken to a sign up page where you want to enter your name and your email. And this is, you need to register an account at MQL5, and it just gives you a screen name that you can make anything up, and then your email. And once you receive or select register, you'll receive an email with a password. And so we're going to just go ahead and log in. Successfully subscribed to the Powerhouse Sharpshooter. Now we just need to make sure and pay. So we haven't paid yet. And you can see that I already have a card on file here. So I can choose to use a Visa card, I can use PayPal, and I have a bank card as well. So I'm going to go ahead and set that up. And it says automatically renew signal subscription. So you can select that if you want. If you want to just try this out as a demo, that's up to you. If you want to do a live account right from the start, you can automatically renew. All right, so we're going to go ahead and select that. Okay, so here you can see that we have options. Agree to the terms, enable real-time signals subscription, copy stop loss, and take profit levels. I would, sure, you can do that if you'd like. I would select that check if you want, but I don't think it really matters for the strategy. Synchronize positions without confirmation. So I would make sure all these are checked. And you can see that it's using 70% of your balance here. So 95% maximum. So I would definitely make this option 95% maximum. Stop equity is less than $0. So you can actually select how much you want to lose. And as I mentioned before, we're risking around $1,500. So that is something that you can select, or you can just keep it 0 if you want. All right, so deviation from spread, I would probably keep this anywhere from 0.5 to 1. I'll probably just do it at 1 pip and press OK. Okay, it says I have successfully subscribed to the signal of Powerhouse and enable MetaTrader VPS. So this is optional. Keep this in mind. This is an extra $15 a month. As I mentioned before, it was $45 to make this completely passive. So what we want to do is we want to set up the basic 1 month, $15 a month VPS. So this will allow us to make this investment or our trading completely passive, which is awesome. You can pay for multiple months and it's cheaper, but I'm going to just do the 1 month basic. Okay, so automatically renew subscription, sufficient funds, and terminal activity. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and click on automatically renew and rent to MetaTrader VPS. So now since we have purchased our VPS, we want to migrate the signal over. So what we have to do is click this one down here, migrate signal, account, signal, and settings. We don't have to do any of these other ones. We want to make sure that this bottom one is clicked, and we wanted to migrate that over. So you can see the status right here. It says stopped, and auto renew is enabled. You can see all of our information up there at the top. And we just want to make sure that migrate signal, account, signal, and settings is selected, and click on migrate. and it says migrate successful. Okay, so you can see everything is starting up, and status is now started, and now we're copying the signal. Okay, you can click on stop over here, but everything is going, and you should start to see trades the day that you started and migrated your signal over. Once you see the status as started, that means that the migration was successful, and you can just walk away from your charts. You can close them out. You can monitor your trades. You can see here that you can load up any of the charts that are being currently traded, and you'll see the pairs like Aussie CAD or Euro US dollar, and you can open those up at your will to kind of monitor the trades and see how they work out. You can see your balance change based on the trades that are going in and out. This tab right here, it shows your trades that are currently being worked out, so live in the market, and under history are the ones that have closed out already. So these are realized profits that or losses that you experience. Okay, so you can see that I already have an account that's been using this signal for a while. So this account started on 10/27, so just about a week ago, and it's already produced $105 profit just on a $5,000 balance. So it gives you an idea of what you can experience just using the copy signal from MetaTrader 5 using the Powerhouse and Sharpshooter algorithms. All right, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Plan to release more with the progress of this. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks so much. Bye.